Good afternoon, 6th class students. Now we are going to what we have learned in this chapter, material separating methods. Okay, what we have learned, you see the points and understand the points and observe the points. Objects around us are made of a large variety of materials. Based on their properties, we use different materials for different purposes. Materials can exist in three important states: solids, liquids, and gases. Some materials sink in water and some materials can float on water. Some materials are soluble in water and some materials are insoluble in water. Materials are grouped together on the basis of similarities and differences in their properties. Substances can be separated from a mixture. Hand picking is used to separate substances when their sizes are sufficiently large. If mixtures have light and heavy substances, winnowing can be used for separation. An insoluble substance in a liquid can be separated by sedimentation and decantation. Sieving can be used for separating larger and smaller substances in a mixture. Crystallization is used for separation of dissolved substances from a liquid. Distillation is used to remove impurities from water. More than one method of separation can be used to separate the components of some mixers. Do you understand the points what we have learned